Welcome to the Cubivit Galaxy S10 Dry Screen Protector Installation Guide. Step 1. Remove the plastic from the anti-slip mat and stick the mat to your desk. Then peel off the film. Step 2. Place your phone on the mat, using Wipe 1 to clean the screen, and then Wipe 2 to wipe it dry. Step 3. Insert the installation guide without the cover to the phone port and place the screen protector set on the guide, also without the cover. Step 4. Use the dust remover to absorb any dust. Step 5. Lift the screen protector set and then remove the first plastic film via tab 1. Replace the screen protector on the phone and use the cloth card to smooth the dotted line labeled Film Starting Line. Step 6. Lift the upper screen protector set using the cloth card to smooth from the film starting line through to the top of the phone. Then detach the installation guide. Step 7. Lift the lower screen protector set using the cloth card to smooth from the film starting line through to the bottom of the phone. Then remove the second plastic film via tab 2. Step 8. Use the cloth card to smooth the screen protector to make sure that your screen is glued to the screen protector completely. Finally, use a non-woven fabric to clean, and you're done.